Alright, here's my next boiler. It's 20-inch diameter by 32 inches tall, just the boiler. Has 22.5-inch copper tubes rolled in. Firebox is 24 by 24. Has a nice whistle on it, 5-chime, nickel-plated steam gauge, really nice. And the water pump, which I'll demonstrate later. It's an AC water pump. And this is your fill and drain. And you can blow down the valve and blow down the boiler when it needs it every week or so. And the firebox right there, and here's the blower for the firebox. You do need steam up to run it. So after I get about 20 pounds, then I can start using it. Really moves a lot of air through it. That little valve there, I'll probably have to replace it. That's why it's leaking. Little steam whistle. Turn down your volume. Engine out is right here. It's 1/2 inch. Go to your engine. This pop-off valve, I'll test it, and if it's working properly, I'll remove this valve right here. And if it's not, that way I can turn off the steam to it and put a different valve on it and test that one without shutting down the whole boiler. And the water pump is right here, AC. This is your airlock valve right here. If there's any air in the system, hose or in the pump, it'll blow it out of there. And I've got a really nice switch now on the one that I found. So no air. And now it's pumping against pressure in the boiler. As you can see, it is definitely going down there. I don't want to put too much in it. You want to meter that a little bit, how much water you put in it, because it will kill the steam if you put too much in. So it's got a little check valve right here. Goes down and goes right into the boiler right down here. Works great. All 1/4-inch pipe. I just got it going into a bucket of water. I'll run it one more time. And eventually that will start going up, of course, on the sight glass. That's about it on that. So my name is Ross Bendixen. I'll have it on eBay for sale. Ash pen is right here as well. My number is 206-948-0770. My email address is anacortesteam, that's ANACORTESSTEAM @gmail.com. Thanks for watching.